So thank you, Timur. And now I should advise you that we have three students which will have only one presentation. The tuning of this presentation is 15 minutes, in this case not 10. I welcome on the stage Anastasia Kuznetsova, Alessandra Perova and Elisabeta Pestova from Russian Federation. Please.
Hello, we are from Russia and we study at St. Petersburg State University of Architecture and Civil Engineer, and we want to represent the project of the district Florence in St. Petersburg. My name is Elisabeta.
My name is Anastasia.
And my name is Alexandra, and I'm going to tell you about the analysis we made before making the project and how the work was organized. St. Petersburg is a beautiful city at the center of culture, education and developed production. That's why it's a popular place to live. But gradually the citizens of St. Petersburg move from the city center to periphery and former suburbs where ecology is better. The goal of our project was to make a new residential area in St. Petersburg. The district Slavyanka, this is the name of the residential area, is situated in the south of the city between the two residential districts, Pushkin and Kolpino. The remoteness of the area from the center is 24 kilometers and the nearest underground station is situated in 5–10 minutes by bus. The northeastern border of the area is an important federal route which connects Moscow and St. Petersburg. One of the borders of the area is also very important. It is called Kolpinskaya Highway and connects the federal road with Pushkin. And the most parts of the traffic will go along it. It will be a very noisy road, and we had to take into consideration it while making our project and make a project of special type of noise protecting buildings which will be erected along this road. We made the research of contemporary situation of the area and knew that the most part is occupied by agriculture, and around the area there is no developed social infrastructure. We had to take it into account and make projects of educational, health, trade, recreation facilities in the area. We made photo fixation of the area, and you can see that the view of the territory is going to change greatly, and the buildings will be aroused on the place of open spaces. That was how the work was organized. It consisted of 3 stages. Students were divided into groups consisted of 5 to 8 people. And each group made the general idea of the project, lined the roads, created the general zones, and then each student made a detailed project of one of the parts of the area, made his own design. And during the 3rd stage, each student made a project of one of the buildings situated in his district. And you can see the pictures of the work. the analysis of the topic. Then Anastasia will continue.
District. Our area consists of 7 districts. It was a place without developed infrastructure and recreation zone, so we create in the center of district a larger park, and each district has an access to it. The districts are also measured by the chain of pedestrian boulevard. 2 social zones located in the area. One zone is close to road towards St. Petersburg, and the second is on the Kolpinskaya highway on the side of Pushkin. It's very convenient because people go from both directions to visit social zone before entering the district. Developing the project Slavyanka, we aspirate to create comfortable conditions for the future inhabitants. Slavyanka, it is a independent small city with own internal life. Each separate part of area district, he consists of small inhabitants groups which organizing space of micro-districts and includes next building, school, 2 kindergartens, and underground parking on 1 to 100 car place that essentially facilitates a problem accommodation of automobiles. Also at the territory of districts located request parking, platform for games of children and rest of adults, and establishment of micro-regional value. A building in districts is 2-story. The first story are houses at 10-12 floor along Kolpinskaya highway and next other noisy road, and the second there are houses of average 7 floors. This planning solves some problem. The first, it defends district from noise from road. The second, forming a picture line along highway Kolpina. And the third, the second story of houses leading to park doesn't cover view for other buildings. For improving profession of noise along highway, we use such action as 4 lines of trees and house which the design future solve this problem. Elizaveta, continue.
Part 3, houses. One of the oldest shell-story building is located along the main pedestrian street of the quarter, which leads to the shopping center. This house begins the street and it is its main dominant. The main features of this house are the varying number of stories, striking geometric forms, and a pure structure. House represented the 12-story building development is located on a noisy street. Due to the size and location, it provides noise insulation for the interior space. The features of this house are the placement of the balconies only in the upper part of the building, which provides allowing for seamless installation of stay-at-the-fighting. A striking example of one of the houses of high-rise building development is located on the main pedestrian street of the quarter. He is a symbol of the development area. The house grows from the earth's surface, forming as stone trees and enhancing the effect of historical context. If you consider the whole buildings as we approach roads and highways, the house becomes clear geometric shapes. Those who are able to emphasize the transformation of form, the combination of clear external model and building, and near-free curvatures of the form. Person getting to the area may see the development of architectural propriety to the center, may mark the particular environment in which to be nice and interested to study it. Thank you for your attention.